Similarly, we have studied about the government office and the features of the government office. Now, we are going to discuss about business office. A business office is an economic entity. The main objectives of the business is to earn profit by satisfying its customer. The business can achieve its goal by earning profit. And how the profit can be earned? It can be earned when the maximum numbers of customers are satisfied. If there is more satisfied customer, then the purchase and sale of the goods will be high. In this case, the business organization can earn more profit. Like an office established by a business organization is known as business office. On the basis of nature of investment, business office may be classified into following three types. Like office with government investment, office with private investment. As you can see on the board, there is given business office is divided into office with government investment and office with private investment. First of all, I would like to describe about the office with government investment. A government may also involve in business activities. The office established by the government to conduct the business activities is called office with government investment. I would like to repeat once again. A government may also involve in business activities. The office established by the government to conduct business activities is called office with government investment. The main objectives is to provide the public service as well as to earn profit. It has two main parts. It is established to earn profit also and to provide service to the people also. In such office, the government has major role in appointment of board members and chief executive. The examples of such office of Nepal are like Nepal Electricity Authority (NEA). Another is Nepal Airlines and Nepal Telecoms. The main features of office with government investment is government is involved in management and control directly. All the administrative works are taken by the government. The main objective is to provide good and service to the people as well as earn profit also. It has independency in maintaining financial transactions. It maintains the records of financial activities. It also follows the government rules and regulations in all cases. It have to work according to the rules and regulations of the government.